Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. So I hope everybody had a great Halloween weekend and also have a great week. It'll be for most of the Midwest into the 70s for most of the week. So that should be good for harvest and just good for weather period for this time of November. Have a mixed grain trade overnight. Beans up a little bit, corn and wheat down a little bit. I think over in the beans there was some talk that the Brazil forecast might be a little bit drier down the road than what people had thought. Brazil plantings of beans are 27% done. Normally 41% of the crop has been planted by now, and it's that northwest corner that's running and lagging behind normal because of dryness. The USDA is expected to release September crush today. They're looking for 133 million bushel number. Crush numbers are still running ahead of a year ago due to the good margins. They're also expecting weekly exports somewhere around 70 million bushels of beans, maybe 25 corn and 14 wheat. We still have some issues with slow demand for U.S. corn and wheat and still loading out the beans that are on the books, especially to China. We'll have some private crop estimates this week as the USDA crop report nears. Tonight we'll get one. Their last October estimate was a little over 13.5 billion bushels. That's in line with what the USDA said. They also said a number a little bit over 3.9 billion beans, and the USDA was a little bit below 3.9. I think most people think the USDA is going to raise the soybean crop estimate because of all the reports of the higher yields. Soybean harvest should be 92% done, corn harvest 84%, and weekend rains were pretty much scattered over most of the Midwest. Some pretty heavy rains across the southern part of the U.S. Should be mostly clear today as these rains move into the southeast. 2-week forecast continues to be for normal to above temps and normal rains. Funds were net buyers on Friday, estimated now to be a small long in the beans, still short wheat, and long corn. Their length in the corn, though, is still pretty low compared to some sell-offs over the last couple of weeks. Still trying to figure out if beans have enough information to push over $9, corn over $4, and wheat's trading over the 100-day moving average. I think most people feel that you just don't have the export demand to push much higher, but again, if you go much lower, the farmer selling slows and you need beans and corn and wheat into the pipeline. So enjoy the good weather. These are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.